We have five sensory organs. What are them? I what? No, no, no. We have five sensory organs. What are them? Eyes gives me sight sense, and nose gives me smelling sense, and mouth gives me taste sense, and the ears gives me hearing sense. Yes, and my hand gives me what? My hand gives me touching sense. We have five sensory organs with five senses. Okay? We will use the senses. شباب ممكن نقفل المايك حاضر وهعيدها عشان الدوشة دي والتسجيل. Okay? تاني. In our lesson today, we will use our senses. We will use the five senses to describe the matter, to describe the properties of the matter. Okay, we have five sensory organs with five senses. What are them? The five sensory organs are eyes, sensory organ gives me sense is called sight. Okay, we have nose. Nose is a sensory organ that gives me what? That gives me smelling sense. Okay, we have mouth. Mouth is a sensory organ that gives me what? That gives me tasting sense. And ears is a sensory organ that gives me hearing sense. Finally, we have our hand or our skin that gives me touching sense. We will use the senses to what? To describe the properties of the matter. Okay, we have now tools, but some tools, for example, sugar and salt and flour and a non-mixture and lens to describe the what to do to describe the properties of each substance. Number one, we will examine the four plates in front of you and touch all the substances with your hand to feel their texture. يبقى أنا عملت إيه؟ I use the touching sense to what? To know the texture of each substance. مسكت كده بإيدي وشفت كل طبق الملمس بتاع الايه السبستانس اللي فيه عبارة عن ايه. طيب number two smell all the substances and know the order all of them. هجيب البلات او كل اتش بلات واعمل ايه واقرب السبستانس من النوز بتاعتي واشم ايه او واستخدم السميلنج سنس to what? To describe or to know the order of the substance. Okay, number three, we will use the lens to observe or to know the shape of the crystals of each substance by using the sight sense. Okay, the observation of our experiment. Number one, all substances have the same color. كل السبستانسز اللي أنا استخدمتها عندها نفس اللون. For example, salt is a white color and sugar and also flour. All of them have white color. Okay, number two, the substances have different odors. لما أنا شمتهم كان كل واحد ليه الرائحة المختلفة. Number three, the substances are made up of large crystals as in sugar. في مثلا بعض السبستانسز كانت عندها الكريستالز بتاعتها كانت كبيرة for example in the sugar. Okay, the other have small crystals as in the salt. And very funny and very fine particles as in the flour. Okay, A mixture of large crystals and the very fine particles is as in the unknown mixture. انا عملت ايه؟ انا استخدمت اللينس، واللينس دي رحت باصه على ايه؟ باصه على الانبليت اللي هي فيها unknown mixture. طب لما بصيت عليها لقيت ان في ايه؟ لقيت ان في large crystals وفاين وفاين ايه؟ وفاين particles. معنى كده ان الانون mixture بتاعي بيتكون من ايه؟ large crystals sugar and fine particles in the floor. معنى كده الميكتشر بتاعي بيتكون من المادتين دول. اقول تاني؟